Hello guys, welcome to this video. Be a hero on a mission. Be a ProLife UK insurance agent. Thank you so much for visiting this website or this landing page. I believe you are one of those people who wants to try another side hustle. Ayan, so let me introduce myself first. No, by the way, I'm Ken. I've been in the industry for almost 8 years now, and I desire to share this wonderful opportunity with you if you allow me for the next 20 minutes. All right, so let me start with this statement. I believe every one of us has a hero inside of us, a life of meaning. Ayan, no? So earning well, growing in your niche, and to be part of something big. Hero, hindi victim, no? Because I believe with all the things that are happening, I believe we have the opportunity to decide to become a hero. And heroes normally transform, no? So there's a decision that has to be made. And I'm not saying that this opportunity is the only way that will rescue your situation right now. No, I'm trying to say is that this is one of those opportunity, but you need to be the hero. No? Ikaw yung hero po dito. No? So I am just your partner or guide here in this opportunity. Ayan, so as a hero, we need to overcome. No? So as we encounter some challenges and hurdles, we have identified a few of them. Ayan, so reality check. Ikaw ba ito? Ayan, number one, feel mo ba na you have more expenses this time? Or the other way around, siguro same lang yung expenses pero lumiit yung sweldo, no? So lumiit na siya because meron na tayong mga wants, no? And unfortunately, the typical employment, hindi tayo gaanong nakaka-leverage sa ating time, no? So most of us, maybe ikaw to experience financial stress. May mga due dates and bills we cannot pay on time. It's a problem, right? Ano pa? If you're also in this situation na you've been working for this company and then feeling mo wala ka ng growth professionally and personally. Siguro hindi ka evolve into the kind of person you wanted to be, or siguro walang opportunity for growth talaga sa inyong company, no? So it's also a good question to ask yourself, am I maximizing the time I am giving into this company? Ayan. And lastly, ito, no purpose. I believe most of us stay in a company or work because more than the pay, it's the value or the purpose that we are fulfilling. No, pag hindi natin yan nakikita, we are not motivated. Yung why natin hindi gaanong strong. So that's why perhaps meron tayong feeling of no sense of purpose, not part of something big. And I believe these are some triggers that somehow allows us to navigate options. And allow me to share to you this wonderful opportunity of becoming a life insurance agent. Yan. So I like this quote from Donald Miller. When something happens to you, you have two choices on how to deal with it. You can get bitter or get better. As what I've said, you are a hero. Yan yung empowerment ko sa inyo. I hope as a hero, you choose to leverage or choose ProLife UK being a life insurance agent to solve those problems. Ayan, so ano ba tong ginagawa nyo dito, Ken? So what's in it for me? Ayan. So here, I'm just gonna share briefly four things that somehow might help you solve those problems that you have encountered. Number one is you have the opportunity here to earn millions. Yes, you can earn millions here per year or even per month, no? And you have the opportunity to travel with your loved ones for free. Yes, no? This is one of those opportunities that offers this to our agents. Another is you have the opportunity to grow professionally and personally. Ayan, so with of course, meron tayong mga trainings na in place. And in terms of mission naman, you have the opportunity to be part of something big. Be a hero on a mission of ensuring lives. Ayan, so how do we earn millions here? So we can earn millions here in two income streams for now, no? Actually, tatlo yan. Dalawa lang muna ngayon. So first is educate and then lead. So why do we need to educate? So yes, ProLife UK is a life insurance company, So we educate our clients or prospects or typical Filipinos to actually take care of their money or take control of their money. So we teach our clients to save and invest. So just to share to you how this product works, so this is a typical insurance plan. So just say, for example, you're a 25-year-old, you have a friend, maybe a 25-year-old then, you just encourage him or her to save at least 3,000 pesos per month. Sample lang to ha. Bakit sila magsisave here in Peru? At least 3,000. Again, sample lang to. Number one is na meron na silang guaranteed na 1 million. No? So, yes, we are a life insurance company. So, they put their money 3,000 per month. They have then a value, a return of 1 million in case something happens to them. Like sickness. What sickness can? Heart attack, stroke, cancer, renal failure. Actually, 36 critical illness yan. If ma-diagnose yung client or prospect mo, mayroon silang ma-receive na 1 million. Yes, even if 3 months pa lang sila nag-pay. Right? So that's the value that we are giving. Ayan. Second, what if ma-accident? Mayroon ding 500,000 na makukuha if ever loss of life is due to accident. Ma-disable si client, may 1 million din. Death, sudden death. Example, right? COVID, for example, happened years ago. Death can really happen. And guys, even if 1 month pa lang nagbayad yung client, millions, 2.5, in this example, ibibigay na natin. Okay, so, okay, nagsisave ako, okay, but what else? What benefits pa? Ito yung maganda, guys. Si client, nagsisave lang siya ng 3,000 per month. But, take note, yung pera niya hindi mawawala. It has the opportunity to grow. Ayan. So, say for example, the client continues to save at least for the next 20 years. Example. So, if you try to do the math, 3,000 times 12, that's gonna give you 36,000 a year. Yan yung contribution ni client. If you times that, multiply that to 20 years, total contribution ni client is nasa 720,000. I hope you follow the figures, right? But here, based on projection, yung pera ni client, ini-invest natin yan sa stock market. So, mayroon siyang opportunity na mag-grow. In this projection, magiging 1.25 million. So, say, just imagine, yung pera niya, 720, magiging 1.25 at 20 years. So, nag-grow siya, guys. No? Nag-grow siya ng almost 500,000. Plus, meron pa siyang insurance benefit. This is our selling proposition. Many people out there, yes, alam ko magsisave, pero hindi natin alam saan. So, we're trying to teach them to leverage on this to address their number one, risk of happening, yung mga sickness, accident. So, there's a risk, guys. We also maximize the opportunity to save and invest at the same time. So, actually, 3-in-1 product na siya. No? So, I believe this is really, really one of those products out there that we need to share to typical Filipinos para matulungan natin. I-share ko yan later on. Ayan, so Ken, what's in it for me? Ayan, so yung product natin guys, napakaganda. Okay? So, what's in it for you? Should you join? Ito na. You have the opportunity, as you educate your clients, pag kukuha sila sa'yo, you have the opportunity to earn, yes, 45% commissions. Yes, 45. I believe in the sales industry, we are one of those high paying, no, in terms of commissions. Yan, so you get to earn 45% commission. Not only that, may mga bonuses pa, may persistency bonuses, production bonuses, and multiple case bonuses. Take note guys, hindi to siya annually. This is in a quarter. So every quarter you get to enjoy those bonuses. And meron din tayong HMO, and then insurance coverage pa, and agent savings fund, no, for savings in the future. Parang Pru Life will get a portion of your commission and then tatapatan ni Pru Life. Ayan, no? So, as we educate, we get to leverage in a way na mag-earn tayo ng income. So, just to share to you a vivid example, how do we earn here? Just say, for example, you have a client. You have many friends who can afford, just say, for example, 3,000. Let's just say, assume lang natin, every month, since part-time ka, yes, you can do this part-time, kaya mo lang mag-close ng 4. 1 per week, for example. You talk 1 person a week or 2 person a week, isa niyan kukuha. Kasi yung mga market mo, willing na sila mag-start. Alright? So just to say, for example, simulate lang natin. Use close 3 or 4 cases a month worth 3,000 per month. Tama ba? 4 clients and then 3,000 yung kukunin nila. So every 3,000, mayroon kang commission na 1,350. Yes. And take note guys, monthly yung client. So monthly mo din ma-receive yung commission mo. So pag apat yan, 5,400 every month. So say for example, you will join January. So say for example, yung code mo lumabas January. So right after you're coded, nag-submit ka ng 4 cases. So in the following month, meron ka ng 5,400, right? On February, meron ka na namang 4. So yung 5,400, madadagdagan ng another 5,400. March 5,400. So just imagine guys, by just closing sales 4 cases a month, in 1 year, you get a chance to enjoy the income already, 64,800. Yes, every month na yan. Every month. That's just 4 cases. And guys, take note, hindi pa natin ini-include yung mga bonuses natin. Yung persistency, production, meron pang mga monthly incentives si PruLife. You can actually hit 6 digit in a year. Actually, 6 years kaya. No? So, this is how it works here. No? That's just one income stream. Right? So, share ko briefly yung another income stream. Lead. Ano ba tong lead? Lead is when you invite someone to do the same. Educate other people. Yan. So, PruLife gives 10%. I believe PruLife is one of the life insurance companies that generously give parang talent fee whenever you invite someone here. And ang kagandahan nito guys, you can invite the best people you know who can really add value to people. No? So, just imagine 10%. You get 10% income, passive income to, whenever yung recruit mo, yung in-invite mo dito mag-earn siya. Take note, hindi siya parang it works like a networking scheme in a way, yung compensation, pero hindi siya, pag join mo, meron ka ng pera agad, no, hindi. Income only happens when there's a sale. Okay, so, yan yung culture natin dito. We need to help each other. Para naman, happy si client or happy si agent, happy din tayo. No? So, just say for example, tinulungan natin yung client or yung agent mo, yung recruit mo, nag-earn siya ng 50,000. So, immediately, you get an opportunity to earn. How much? Meron kang opportunity to earn 5,000 per client or per agent. So that's 5,000 if may 50,000 income na siya. What if tatlo sila? So meron kang 15,000. What if 10? That's already 50,000. And guys, I'm gonna share to you, if you're a brand or if you're a unit manager, hindi lang 10% yung override, yung tawag natin yan. You can earn as much as 25%. As early as now, aim to become a manager. Ayan. So I hope clear lang yung opportunity na sinabi ko dito na paano tayo mag-earn. You get to earn here by educating clients and then through leading. Ayan. So you can actually earn millions here. And as you earn millions, yan, you get to travel for free. Yan. So i-peg ko lang tong mga friends ko here in PruLife. Jess is also part of our team. No, si Jess has the opportunity to travel sa Switzerland lang naman yan, guys. PruLife gave it for free. No, so may mga incentives tayo. He qualified for Switzerland. And si Jillian naman ito, she's a mom of 2. She got a chance to travel to Dubai. Yan for free din. No, so travel goals, no? So imagine hindi ka mag-shell out ng money to travel. Unless gusto mong magbili ng mga pasalubong, you buy something there, that's on your own. But get a chance to travel for free. You earn millions and you travel for free. And guys, the good thing about this is your hard work. So it's a reward for you. Ayan. So you can earn millions and travel here for free. That's the first, I would say, perks here in Pru. Another one is you can grow professionally. No, sabi ko earlier, we long to really grow professionally. And here in Pru, you get a chance to be promoted, right? So I'm blessed to be promoted in a span of just 2 years time. No, so na-promote po tayo during pandemic. No, so In short, here, you don't need your manager to go out or something happen para palitan mo siya, no. Here, you get a chance to really work on your promotion, right? In terms naman of people, you get to meet the most amazing people I know, dreamers and achievers here in Peru. You get to learn from them. Together you learn, right? And also in the sense of purpose, trainings will be provided. And share ko lang to, guys. This is my cousin. This really nailed my commitment to really continue this business because of the purpose. My client that was diagnosed with brain tumor. Yeah, no. So, cut the long story, she got a policy from me, and in 3 years, nagka-brain tumor siya, nakakuha siya ng 1.5 million. And guys, as she said, brain tumor, major operation yan, it cost her almost 1 million. I can't forget what she said. Ken, pwede ko nang matapos yung bahay ko after the operation, sabi niya. Receiving the 1.5. 2 weeks lang, balik na siya sa work because I think I have given her hope because of the money that she committed to start here. So you can really grow professionally here, no? So that's the opportunity that lies in each one of us. And of course, lastly, be a hero on a mission of ensuring lives. No? So my cousin is one of those. And guys, this is a good news and a bad news. The bad news is the Philippines, 2% pa lang yung insurance penetration. Ito yung percentage ng people na may insurance here in the Philippines. Actually, bumaba pa nga, no? So, and I believe isa to siya sa indicator that a country is doing well economically. If you look at our neighboring countries, mataas yung penetration rate nila in terms of insurance. I would say they're considered uh, good countries or high, how do I say it, performing countries. And I think this is one of the reasons why Philippines is, well, we share it, no? It's one of the poor countries in Southeast Asia. So, in short, yan yung bad news. But the good news is, we have a good opportunity to share the value of insurance. Because guys, I believe, whenever we share the value of insurance, whenever we insure a breadwinner, we are helping one family uplift or alleviate poverty. Just imagine a breadwinner, mawala yan. Instead of utang yung iiwan, may millions. Makaka-continue yung typical Filipino sa pag-aaral, he or she can continue. Walang mako-compromise for a few months, years, mako-continue yung lifestyle. Hindi utang, which is typical sandwich generation na nangyayari. So, we get an opportunity to be part of something big here. All right? So, be an insurance agent, no? Earn millions, travel with loved ones, grow professionally and personally, and be a hero on a mission of insuring lives. Yeah, so introduce ko lang yung team natin. So we are not just another part-time job, guys, no? So should you join our team, we are a community improving other people's lives. So personally, I'm really gonna help you guys realize our dreams together, no? So we improve lives. We are more than 30 driven insurance agents already, and we desire to add more. We have more than or 5 travel savvy, no, mga hilig mag-travel, no? We have 5 identified na travel savvy and million peso earner na sila. And we are aiming to have more. And at the same time, we are focused on taking care more clients. Currently, we have more than 1,000 clients insured together as a team. No? So may mga goals tayo niyan na umabot ng thousands more of insurance policies sold. Yan. So yung team natin is ProLife UK Team 48K. Ayan, so you might be wondering, so Sir Ken, paano ba ako mag-start? So 4-step process lang, easy lang tandaan. First is you sign up. You sign up, yes, quick interview lang, and then you sign up. Meron lang tayong parang entrance fee. This is for your insurance exam fee. So you pay 2,300, that's for your license para mag-exam tayo. After that, you take the exam, you stop and study. You complete your basic training course, of course, we will not deploy you agad to just like any train any like in the military, you need to be trained. So may mga training tayo, complete your basic training course, mindset lang for the first 3 months, you will be undergoing series of trainings, huddles, and you need to complete the training. At the same time, thirdly, you need to at least sell to 2. No, so meron na rin tayong system niyan. Just get as a prospect, kami na yung magpe-present. For the meantime, eventually you get the hang of it. No, so ensure tomorrow's financial peace. Hanap ka na ng mga tao na wala pang insurance, and we get to set an appointment with them and share the value of life insurance. And at the same time, fourthly, you invite people to do the same. Be a hero on a mission of ensuring people that they can also partake in the mission here. So sign up, stop and study, sell to 2, and share to 2. So guys, I invite you to sign up now and be a PruLife UK insurance agent. Don't miss the chance to make a difference in your life, family, and others. Make those dreams come true. You're a hero, remember? You can do it better this time. This is a vehicle that can get you there. And we invite you to be part of something big and purposeful. Let's desire to help Philippines become a better nation by ensuring one family at a time. Be a hero on a mission of ensuring lives. Be a hero on a mission of improving other people's lives. Sign up now. Be a PruLife UK agent. Right? So guys, thank you so much. I hope 20 minutes lang siya. And I hope to see you in our one-on-one interview and some of our trainings soon. Thank you so much, and God bless.